Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Mining Newsflash. Today with Endeavour Silver, Kuya Silver, Max Silver, Tier 1 Silver and Mawson Gold here on Commodity-TV. Endeavour Silver has taken another step towards its goal of becoming one of the world's leading silver producers by completing the purchase of the Bruner property located in Nye County in Nevada. For the purchase price of $10 million in cash, the company has secured full ownership of the gold project, which includes mineral claims, mining rights, assets, water rights and regulatory permits and licenses, which is very important. The Bruner Gold project is a development stage exploration project located approximately 180 kilometers southeast of Reno, which already has a historical resource estimate of 342,000 ounces of gold from 2015 and a PEA from 2017. However, because Endeavour does not, let's say, fully believe this resource estimate and not fully reliable, it plans to drill a secondary holes at certain holes and complete a drill program to upgrade the estimated historical resources to current mineral resources. Initially, activities planned in Q4 2021 will focus on surface work and data collection. Exploration work will then resume in 2022 around the priority target zones. The goal is to establish a new low-cost open-pit heap leach operation in the historic Nevada mining district. Endeavour Silver is full on track. Kuya Silver issued over 670,000 common shares to First Cobalt for the first earn-in payment under an option to acquire up to a 70% interest in certain silver mineral exploration assets in Ontario. Since entering into the agreement in March 2021, Kuya Silver has completed an extensive compilation and reinterpretation of historical data from the district, including publicly available information and data from the 2017-2018 exploration programs to prioritize initial targets for high-grade silver potential. Surface work, including detailed mapping, geophysics and geochemistry, was also carried out to refine drill targets. In parallel, the first 3,300 meter drill program was completed on the 100% owned CARE project and results are awaited desperately. The strategy of this drill program is to systematically follow up on historical intercepts of high-grade mineralized structures that have the potential to host significant tonnage. Kuya is parallel going into production with the Bethania mine next year, and we see the company really undervalued. Max Silver announces successful results from the Phase 1 Deer Trail drilling. In this first phase, 3 holes totaling almost 4,000 meters were drilled from surface, arranged along a 1.5 kilometer corridor, successfully achieving all 3 planned objectives, which are confirmation of the presence of a thick section of more favorable carbonate bedrock beneath the Deer Trail mine, confirmation and projection of 2 suspected mineralization feeder structures to depths, and locating high-grade mineralization associated with these structures in host rocks beneath the historically known deposit. Drilling of the second phase has been underway since August 20th and will provide further news flow in the near future. Max Silver is an old and well-known favorite of us, and we see the stock much higher in the coming 18 months. Tier 1 Silver discovered a mineralized system parallel to the feeder structure in the first drill hole at the Curibaya project. Also, the first hole did not intersect the feeder structure. Interpreted from surface information, it encountered broad widths of intense hydrothermal silicate clay alterations within 3 subhorizontal bodies over a drill width of approximately 70 meters between 131 and 197 meters drill depths. The orientation of the feeder structure was initially interpreted to be vertical, but additional surface mapping and results from channel samples obtained during the drilling program indicate that the feeder structure dips parallel to the orientation of the first hole. Subsequently, all planned drilling will be adjusted to intersect high-grade structures at a perpendicular angle. The company is well funded, has several holes pending and is adjusting permits to better align future drilling with the new data obtained to target below the multi-kilogram veins identified at surface. We are very positive for Tier 1 Silver. A new CEO is being appointed to Mawson Gold. Effective immediately, Ivan Fairhall will take over the job from Michael Hudson, who has served as CEO of the company since March 2004. Michael Hudson will continue to serve as a director and executive chairman of the company. Mr. Fairholt's appointment reflects the company's need for additional mine development experience, as Mawson's projects in Finland are now transitioning from advanced exploration to pre-development, and he brings considerable experience to the position as an engineer and mine finance expert. In light of the progress made on the company's Finnish assets and the company's recent gold discoveries in Australia, Mawson has concurrently initiated a corporate strategic review to identify, explore and consider opportunities related to the Australian assets to enhance shareholder value. The results of this review will be announced towards the end of the third quarter of 2021. Mawson Gold develops well, and the stock has enormous potential. Please note the disclaimer that appears now. The companies presented are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.